So what I'm going to talk about is the development of antibodies as pharmaceuticals. So traditionally, pharmaceutical drugs are small chemicals. But in the last 20 years or so, we've seen antibodies being developed as pharmaceuticals for treatment of immune disorders and cancer. And that's required the development of several technologies, one of which was discovered by my former boss, the great Argentinian immunologist Cesar Milstein. And I've made contributions to other aspects. So the work I'm mainly involved in is genetic engineering. So the development of antibodies that can be tolerated in humans. It's possible to make mouse antibodies that attack human cancer or human immune disorders. But the problem is that they're recognized as foreign in the body by your own immune system. The advantage, or the work that I was involved in doing, means trying to develop human versions of those antibodies that are tolerated. And this can be done by a kind of molecular alchemy using genetic engineering. And there's several different approaches I've developed, one of which is the development of the antibody Humira. This antibody is used for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and is now the biggest selling pharmaceutical drug in the world. And this was developed in Cambridge and the United States. Yes, I think it's important for scientists to go to other laboratories, and I think it's important for scientists to go to other countries. In the case of the United Kingdom, I think scientifically the United Kingdom is pretty successful, in particular in the field of the pharmaceutical development. So we have two of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, AstraZeneca and GSK, are based in the United Kingdom. We have several small startup companies, and we have three world-class universities, Cambridge, Oxford, and London. And so I think that anyone going to the UK from Spain has a chance to get some experience either in the industrial sector or in the academic sector at a high level. And so it seems to me this is a very good use of time which otherwise might be lost. We know there are many cuts in research. I think in the UK, the cuts are not as severe as elsewhere. And the economy is free. We encourage people at the right qualifications to come and work in the United Kingdom. So someone can build some part of a career there and then return to Spain and bring the knowledge that they've acquired. So I absolutely think this is a very good move for people to come to England. We used to have many Spaniards coming to the UK, probably in the mid-90s. And I think that the numbers have fallen off a bit since then. This is not actually a proper statistic, this is just my feeling from the people that I met. It used to be Germans, and then it became Spaniards, and then now it's a whole mixture of people.